What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys just saw, I took the rear bumper off because I want to sand it by hand without touching the rest of the body. So you guys can see, like, there's a lot of it for me to scuff up and primer over, but that's not a problem. I already have it off. All I gotta do is clean it and start sanding. I was gonna do the dent repair in this video, but I think I'm gonna just do like a separate video just for that itself, because there's a lot of steps to it. So I'm just gonna do that for the next video, and then just sand this trunk and the roof for this one. So yeah, let me set you guys up, and we'll get started on sanding. Alright guys, so the bumper's pretty much done. All I'm gonna do is go around and primer these black spots that are here. Some of them are from me going too far, like this one, and some like these are from the vinyl wrap when it took off the paint. So yeah, I'm gonna do that off camera. After that, we're gonna put this on the car, start sanding the rest of the car, because I want to get it ready for paint as soon as possible, just so that we can start swapping it. As you guys know, I've been working on D1608. I'm gonna fully build it, boost it, get it ready for all that. So I have everything set. Block is fully built. The head is finally came back. And yeah, I'm pretty much ready to slap it all together. So that video might come soon. But for now, I really want to get this ready for paint. So once we get it running and do the engine bay, we'll get the new color. So yeah, let's go ahead and put this back on, and then we'll start hanging the rest. Alright guys, so pretty much you guys saw we sanded everything down already. I already took the time and primered it all around where the metal was showing. But yeah, pretty much everything is done. I did not get to the roof just because I ran out of sandpaper and I don't really want to go on a run for some. So that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. Please, you guys, like the video, comment, and please subscribe. There's a lot of amazing content on the way. So yeah, guys, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys on the next one.